ladies, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. Y'all, I just took a much little needed break, but happy belated Thanksgiving to you ladies, you gentlemen. Y'all, if you see some blackness on my hand, it's because I was doing my eye underneath the bottom of the liner. But I have this great big old Amazon box, hunty. Now, I don't know what I'm gonna title this because what I have is a dupe, but it doesn't have the LV, the Louis Vuitton on it, the LV or the fake LV or whatever. But this is like a bougie on a budget type video. I always wanted to do one of them, and I wanted to do it like on Tuesday, this coming Tuesday, because another one of my bags is supposed to be coming Tuesday. But I was like, you know what? I want to wear this bag today, so let's just go ahead on and just get this video on out the way. That way I can go ahead on and wear this bag when I go to the Nordstrom's rack today. Today is Sunday, so I'm going to the Nordstrom rack because I want me a couple of more Alex and Ani bracelets. So I'm going to go there today to purchase them, but let's get into the video. Okay, so I got some things from off of Amazon, and actually, I had ordered from Ioffer before, but Ioffer tried to get me, and I probably would post a little something. I don't know. I probably wouldn't even, because I don't even want to be petty with them. You know what I'm saying? They just didn't send me my items. That's all. But I did end up getting my money back, so I'm not even going to just throw them under the bus like that. But I did order one bag from the Ioffer, but today I'm going to be just showing what I ordered from Amazon, and then maybe one day I'll show the flimsy ass bag that they sent me from Ioffer, which was really cheap, $9. So I mean, you can't expect anything else. It smelled like a rat's ass, but that's neither here nor there. So the first items that, well, I got two items from there from two different vendors, and of course, you know, in this video I cannot place the names in the description bar, but I will place it under where the comments at, so you will know where I got them from. Okay, they were dirt cheap. These items that I paid all together was like, I will pull it up as I go. Where is my phone? I'll pull it up as I go. That way I can be able to give you the pricing of it. That way that you can be able to know what you're going to be spending your coins on. So this was actually Amazon Prime. That's what I have. I have Amazon Prime, so it came to me within 2 days. So I'm going to actually just, I'm not going to put the name up there, but I will show you. This is what that looks like right here. This is what I'm about to show you guys, and I'm going to tell you I love it. And this was $28.99. So I'm going to show you this. And then also, while I have it pulled up, I'm going to go ahead on and show you the other item that I had got with this. This is it that I got, and the pricing is on $10.99, but it was actually, yeah, it was actually $10 when I had purchased it. So I'm going to go ahead on and pull these items out. So like I said, they don't have the Louis Vuitton on it. I don't care. I don't care about the Louis Vuitton, honey, being on the bag. It still resembles the Louis Vuitton bag right here. And I love this bag. I love the back of it because it has like the little stand-up metal parts at the bottom. It's really sturdy. It's not like a flimsy. You can't even bend it like that. It's not flimsy like. So I like it. It has the two handles right here, and I got this in the brown one. You see the flowers that's on it. It comes with like a little makeup bag, a little clutch makeup bag. I like this because sometimes I can wear this without wearing the bag. So it has a zipper around the back. It has a zipper right here in the top. And inside of it, okay, let's straighten you out, baby. I done dropped something. Inside of it, you have all different types of compartments in here. I love it. You have a change zipper right there. You have a middle part right here. You have like you put your cards in it right here. And when you open up the zipper, let's see, it's like you can put some things in the middle of it like that. So what I just dropped was the strap, because you can either do it like a crossbody situation. Hear me, situation. A crossbody bag, or either you can just do it as a tote. And I like it like a handbag like this. This is how I like to carry it. And of course this, you can remove this right here. Once you take it through here, you can remove it. I thought this was like so cute. This is like a brown, but it has like a red trimming going around the handles. And the handles, they are thick, but I feel as though they could be a little bit thicker, but they're not flimsy like that. So I really like it. This is what the sides look like, with the little, you know, the little hooks on the side. I really like this bag. I thought this bag was really cute. And on the side of here has the trimming also. Am I missing anything? So what I'm going to do is probably put some things in it so I can be able to straighten it out. Look at the front of it. And this right here, they have like the little plastic trimming. You got to take that off. And it will actually give you the gold. You see that right there? You see I took it off of that one. It's not off of that one. So, and this was the blue strip that they had on it. So that's what makes it look like it's blue. Okay, so inside the makeup bag, you have like the little wrist strap that you, if you just want to carry it around like this, you can. And it has like the little flowers on it from the Louis Vuitton, and it's open like this, no other compartments in it. But I thought this was like really cute. So I already put the price of what this was, and I will put the price in the vendor that I got it from on Amazon. And I'm gonna tell you, this was really nice for what? $29. You cannot beat this for $29. You have a two-piece. So I thought maybe I could have this in here, put my makeup bag in here, and then also I needed something for my cards and stuff like that. So this is what this came like, and this is from a different vendor. Now this has like a little heart on it. I thought that was like really cute, the little tassels on the end with like little flowers on it. And then it comes like this, and they have it wrapped up like this. I thought that was cute. Why I keep dropping everything, y'all? So it comes, it's like a little zipper situation, and when you open it up, it's basically like this, so you can be able to put your cards in it. That's like really cute. It's really sturdy, really thick. It's not flimsy, you know what I'm saying? So let me take these out, and then I'll see if it's flimsy, because sometimes this will hold it and make it seem like, oh, they gave me a card. Thank you so much. But yeah, even with that, it's not flimsy, you know. It smells like a factory. This bag doesn't have like, it has like a little smell, but it's not like a fishy smell or anything like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to run in there and get my Louis Vuitton bag that I got from Ioffer, because I do think I want to show it to you, the difference between this and that, which was my replica. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. Okay, now this bag right here is what I got from Ioffer, and I have attached like a little keychain to it, little fur ball keychain to it. But this bag, I mean, it's cute. It has like the little Louis Vuitton logo on it and things like that, y'all. But I'm going to tell you, it's like so flimsy, like, you know what I'm saying? It's so flimsy. The bottom part is just like this. I mean, it's like super soft and flimsy. And I'm going to tell you, it smelled like fish. It smelled like a bad kind of fish too. That's not right. But in the inside, it comes with the red and the black trimming. And for this to be $9, I'm not really fussing, because it was $9. But I thought that you could at least give up a little something better than this for $9 with me, because it was stinking, y'all, stinking really bad. But for $9, I can't really complain, you know. But I had to hold the shape in it. But it actually feels like I am actually holding a piece of, like a bag, like a you know how you go to the store and get the Aldi's bags, those thick bags. It feels like that. And if you listen, it's very thin. It's very thin. The straps, I feel like I'm gonna break them because it's thin. It's very thin. And this right here, you're supposed to be able to pull it up. I can pull up one side to be able, I can't pull them up to be able to shape the bag. You know how you can shape the bag if you want to. This side right here will not stay. And, you know, it's an alright bag for like if I want to maybe carry my church bag, my church Bible, or maybe some little things. But I wouldn't recommend you to put books in here, or put heavy items in this bag right here, because this bag is not what it is. But originally I had ordered the bag with the brown stripe handles and stuff, and they sent me this. And I'm gonna tell you, it took about almost 1 month, actually 3 weeks, to get this. And I'm like, when I did get it, I was like, okay, you pay for what you get. You pay for what you get, basically. So Ioffer is a no-no for me. Even though I do have the Louis Vuitton on it, but also if you look, we have the stitching coming out through here, the little red through here. I mean, it's okay, you know, to say I have I have a Louis Vuitton because it says it, but you can still tell that this is a fake. So I'm not worried about it. Rather somebody could tell or not, because you know J Baby don't care. But at the end of the day, I just won't order from Ioffer anymore. You know, even though this doesn't have the Louis Vuitton on it, I still like this bag. I love this bag because of the fact that it's sturdy and it's heavy. Do you see this? It's really, really sturdy and really heavy. But the vendor, I left some notes for her on this bag because I thought that was wrong. And another vendor, y'all, I had ordered from. This vendor, I had ordered 2 pair of, actually a 5-pack of Gucci boxes for Jay, and a pair of Louis Vuitton boxes for him. They came and they was like boys so they could fit me, and they, you know, they sent them 2 only, and that was after 2 months. I ordered October, November, September the 17th, and they came like in November. And when they did come, they came only with that just so I could sign a package stating that I received it, but I didn't receive my Gucci bag, and I didn't receive my, what else I got, honey? The Gucci belt. The Gucci belt, the Gucci bag, the Louis Vuitton, and the Gucci something else. And I ordered something else. I don't remember what it was, but I don't even know if I really want to really put their information down there to really talk about them, because I'm just really mad and I don't want to. I was scammed, y'all. But when I felt as though I was scammed, I was like, oh no, baby, oh no. So I talked with my bank, give me my money, give me my coins back, give me my coins. So they did give me my coins back, and this place, I am going to put down the name of the company to not buy from them, though. Do not buy from them. I'm telling you, they didn't even realize that I had a YouTube channel until I told them that, look, I'm going to expose you for who you are. Then they started talking about, well, oh no, friend, you're my God and you're my friend. No, first off, I'm not your God. You know what I'm saying? So stop doing people wrong. But I started to put them up there that way I could be able to show their ass a lesson. Let them know that you can play with the wrong one, honey. And I will not let nobody order from you. I will snitch you out, honey. But overall, my Amazon bags, I love them to pieces. I love them to pieces. And I wanted the bag, the clutch for my makeup, and also this one. So all this is going to go in the same bag. But I have another bag that's coming, and I will review that on Tuesday for you guys. So if you like videos like this, just let me know. You know, the prices are really cheap, y'all. Really cheap. So, okay, that's it. That's all I have. I don't have anything else, but I am going to be ordering from Amazon more bags that I have seen, because them bags, I'm straight. I don't need it. It don't have to be Louis Vuitton. I don't have to say Louis Vuitton, but it looks like it. So this is my replica, my dupe, my bougie on a budget video. All right, ladies, be blessed and not stressing. Your girl J Baby is signing off.